Hello guys, in this video, we are going to learn how to make background blur in TikTok videos. If you want to eliminate disturbance in your videos or just want to highlight yourself, using the background blur effect in TikTok is the way to go if you don't have natural blur with your phone's camera. It is alright, not all of us has those Sony lenses on our phone that produces bokeh, but I am here to teach you how to achieve that effect. It is very easy to blur backgrounds with effects on TikTok. If you really want to know, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can be notified when there are new videos, updates, and other content from our channel. Alright, the first thing we want to do to blur backgrounds in TikTok is simply launch TikTok. That is right, we don't have to use editing apps such as CapCut. That is how powerful TikTok is. After opening TikTok, I want to show you first how it looks like without the blur effect. So let us go and tap this plus button to create a content. And let me show you how it looks like without the blur effect. As you can see, it is not very blurry. Okay, now that you have seen it, what we want to do next is tap effects right beside the record button. After tapping effects, the next thing I want you to do is tap the search button. And what we want to do next is search for blurry background. Okay, let us select the first one. And after that, we are done. As you can see, the background is now blurry. It may not be as perfect, but this will do. Just hit record and go create a content. That easy. Once again, if you find this video helpful, please share it to your friends so we can help them too. You can also visit our channel for more tutorials. We upload videos for people who have trouble with their smartphones. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.